fresh fish. We go to put our black pepper, ginger, fresh ginger, garlic, bush pepper itself, goat meat. This our goat meat and towel. Goat meat towel for our soup. Soup, oh, do you want a big pot soup? We put oil. Yes, guys. We put oil for our soup. Because the time we they boil, make it they boil together, then this oil no go too red before everything. Yes, for our okra. For our okra soup. We have our goat meat, towel meat, pomo, and then we cow meat. Right. So we'll leave them. Pepper, they better pepper. We'll even make it boil. Hey guys, look, this is our bitter leaf. Wait, bitter. Now they wash them over because they bitter, eh? They bitter too much. They wash them and close. So guys, bitter leaf. This is our bitter. Too bitter. Ooh. This is our soup. Our soup pepper. Our soup done ready. Done ready. For put everything. Crayfish. Guys, this is our dry fish, well washed. Our dry fish. We will put our maggi. Then this is crayfish. I just grind crayfish. I grind and water. We will put our fish, dry fish, catfish there, salmon fish, all the fishes and the fishes. We don't debone them. Any bone we did on a sucker. Yes. All the men. Get ogu leaf. We have our ogu and bitter leaf. Wow. This one, eh? It's already the taste. It is taste. We'll cover and make boil.